Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your identity for Robinhood withdrawals, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your identity for Robinhood withdrawals, begin by opening the Robinhood app on your device. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings option in the menu that appears. Scroll down and select Account Information. Here, look for the Verifications section. Tap on Verify Identity to start the process. You may be prompted to enter your Social Security number. Input your Social Security number accurately and proceed. Next, you will be asked for your date of birth. Enter your date of birth in the required format and continue. You might also need to provide your address details. Fill in your current residential address exactly as it appears on official documents. After entering your information, Robinhood may request a form of identification. Prepare a valid government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Follow the prompts to upload a clear image of your identification. Ensure the ID is legible and all information is visible. Once you have uploaded the ID, review your information to confirm accuracy. Submit the verification request to Robinhood for processing. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your request is under review. The verification process may take a few minutes, or up to several days. Check your email for any updates regarding your verification status. If additional information is needed, follow the instructions provided in the email. Once verified, you will be able to proceed with your withdrawals. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the help section in the app. You can also reach out to Robinhood's customer support for further assistance. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth verification process for withdrawals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.